It's not just a hobby, nor is it a job. It's something in our blood. And that's what keeps us going season after season. Thick or thin, we never give up. Because it's what we love.
Okay, we're on this big multi-blade door here, about 30 feet up. Got the old motor off. So those are the motor wires, and this is the limit switch wiring from the old motor. We're gonna rip that out. We're gonna reuse this big sprocket and chain hoist assembly. We got the GDI. We fabricated some custom unistrut mounts for it, so we're gonna slap that up there. Old motor is way down there. Hey, little buddy. Pretty fat fucker. And this is where we're working. There's a couple more multi-blades over there. You can see those motors up there, so see how she goes. Okay, new GDI mounted, custom welded brackets for at a unistrut.
Are you doing another video?
Shut up. That's John Field. Useless John Field again. Wiring's connected. We reused the old conduits, so we're gonna go connect down there and see what happens. So this is it. Running this. This is in calibrate mode, so it's really slow. But door is moving. There's John calibrating it. Really slow. But this is calibrate mode, so it's supposed to be slow. Okay, just finished replacing the operator on this guy. We've got a GDI-HAML, H-A-M-L. Got some frabbas down there. Open, close, stop. See the weights coming down. Johnny fixed it. And Door Ninja. Each leaf is tied into the counterweight together, so the upper leaf runs at half speed because they got the cable looped up, looped down under some pulleys up there. Like a dream. This is the view outside. Squamish, BC. This is the building. And close. Yeah, he wants to back out of here, so I'm just gonna go through the eyes and door should go back up.